Hi guys, this is Anna here. I just wanted to do a real quick seed saving talk to answer some of the questions that have been coming in about seed saving pumpkin seeds specifically. Any pumpkin or squash. Everyone knows I'm a big fan of these old metal colanders. They're really simple. A great way where you can put your seeds in. You just scoop out your seeds, put them in the colander, and then I do a lot of this work outside. Using a bucket, just using a bucket of water, makes it really simple. What you're trying to do if you're going to be storing seeds, what you're trying to do is separate all of the pumpkin pulp away from the seeds. You're also trying to get out a lot of those seeds that are not going to be germinating, ones that are just not mature enough to be germinating. There's no sense in saving those because they are not going to grow. So those are the things that you're looking at. A question comes up quite frequently, especially from people in Hawaii, asking, do we need to dry the seeds before we plant them? The answer is no, you do not. In Hawaii, we have back-to-back growing seasons in general, so you can literally scoop them right out of the pumpkin and plant them. Why would you want to do that? Well, it's great because pumpkin does take a lot longer to grow here in Hawaii than it does elsewhere. Our growing seasons tend to be quite mild, but it takes a lot longer. It can take 120 days minimum, whereas on the mainland it often takes 90. Ours could easily take 160 days, depending on the variety. So, you want to keep new pumpkin plants germinating frequently if you want a good supply of pumpkin year-round. So, that's one of the reasons. It's going to cut your germination time. There's no sense drying the seed and then trying to add moisture to it again. It's only taking a lot of time. Other thing I wanted to just mention today, someone asked me how I dry them. I don't do a very fancy. This was a candy box that I had laying around.